these are the top 5 things that I hate about my Civic. Hey everyone, Motorella here, and today we're going to be doing the top 5 things I hate about the Honda Civic EP2, especially my one. And at number 5, let's get straight in with nothing sticks. Literally nothing sticks, right? It's probably all because it's my fault and I'm stupid. But apart from that, nothing sticks, right? Like seriously. Apart from a few things, which only stick because I've epoxied them. Like properly epoxied, they're permanent now. But yeah, the only thing that's actually stuck down properly on this car that I've put on is probably the most useless things, which are the lights that go. They're the lights that shine on the floor that says Honda. what a oh no. Number 4 on the list is the window seals. Like the window seals are awful. Well, the window seals are awful. Like I expect to put my window down and put it back up, and all the water that's on it is gone. I expect that, but yeah, no. The window seals in this car is actually quite horrible. But I mean, can't really complain really. I just put the window down, look out the window, and then come back up again. Fair play to me. Moving on to number 3, we have the car fogs, right? The car fogs up quite a lot and quite easily. Don't know why, right? We've changed some air filters and everything, but the car fogs up quite easily. And it's not just mine, it's just it's all of them, right? It's just all of the Honda Civic EP2s. I don't know about the EP3s, I think they do as well, but they just decide to fog up, right? You can't see anything out the front window, can't see anything out the sides, can't see anything at the back. But yeah, I mean, all you see is a bit foggy now at the bottom, but that's about it. Moving on to number 2 on the list, this is a really fast video, but it leaks, right? It leaks, especially under the boot lid, right? Like underneath the spare wheel, like there's a puddle. I can paddle some. You know, let me show you now. Let's go. Lift it up. Like, look at this, right? I can swim in that. I've got that's a paddling pool down there, right? Literally, I don't even know where it's coming from. If you look up here, we've got a spot on the right, but that's about it. Spot on the right, and maybe it's coming from. I don't know. Maybe it's coming from up here. I don't know. I really don't know, because it's like in the most. Because this thing's not wet, right? This thing is not wet. But yeah, now look at it. Pick up again. Man can swim in that. You know what? I can drown in that as well. Jesus. And number 1 on the list. Damn, this has been really fast. But number 1 on the list is it rusts. And now again, okay, this is not because of my Civic. I don't know, I haven't actually seen much rust apart from paint scratches on the hood and this very weird thing at the very back on the boot lid, which I'll show you guys right now. Let's go. Back out here again. If I just take this off, right, because I only got one. And if you go up here, I don't know why it's just like that, but in here, it's just so much rust. Can I focus, please? Yeah, like, what on earth? Where's, what? Like, it's just so weird. Yeah, but that's about it. Is this a headline? Yeah, this is a headline. I don't know what's happening to this, but yeah. Well, that's it, guys. It's been a very quick video today, but I do want to say most of the things I hate about this car are common and like old, you know, 10 years plus cars. It's been Motorella. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys in another video. Pow.